What's up, YouTube? It's Pretty Well Prepper. Today we're going to talk about multi-tools. Actually, we're going to talk about my favorite EDC multi-tool, the Leatherman Wingman. Let's talk about it. Hey YouTube, it's Pretty Well Prepper. We're back again talking about the Leatherman multi-tool. This one is going to be the Leatherman Wingman. Now you know that Leatherman makes a large assortment of multi-tools. You know, you find the skeleton, the mutt, the signal. You find a lot of good ones. Some are very expensive as well. But I found one that I really like, and it actually gives me all the true necessities, because some of them kind of give you things that you may not need on a day-to-day basis. I figure my multi-tool for me should be as a good EDC. So for me, I carry the Leatherman Wingman. So you see what you get in this one. It's kind of very sleek styling, very compact. Comes with a belt clip or a pants clip. But what makes this one good for me is very accessible if I need to actually deploy the knife very easily. That option is there very quickly. Of course, very easy to close with one hand. Now, there are some things that this one has that I like even more. Just the design of it is perfect. You know that the pliers are going to be spring loaded, but on some of the cheaper ones you'll see a spring like right in here. You don't even see that with the Leatherman, and that's what I like about it. But see, you get the needle nose pliers. That's going to be one of the tools you get. You also get the basic pliers on the inside, as well as wire cutters. So you got those three just in this portion right here. That automatically gives you a good deal. We already talked about the knife, and we're going to come back to that knife as well. But what I like is on the outside, everything is here. Now these are two tools that I'm going to use on a more regular basis than anything else. That's going to be your flathead screwdriver and your Phillips head screwdriver. This was an excellent decision, whoever designed the Wingman. It really helps that guy that's just a guy that does a little bit of everything around the house, on the job, works with his cars, almost anything. He's always in his garage. This is going to be the perfect gift for him. On the far side, you have three more tools. Well, actually, there's several tools. You have this one here. I don't know if you know what this is or who knows what this is, but this is actually a box opener. It's kind of got a little sharp point right here, a little edge for cutting. That kind of helps a little bit in that regard. You also have an inch ruler on the side. Kind of make you wonder what that was for, but I had to ask. You have a file on this far side. Now with the file, the good thing about that actually is good for metal or wood. So I normally use the metal file, if I'm working on a lower receiver and I'm filing or putting in any kind of roll pins or anything like that. I might file the edge of it just a little bit, put a little oil on it, boom, 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 boom. It's already in with no problem. I use this one a whole lot. Bottle opener. I mean, if you're a Bud Light drinker like myself, no plug for Bud Light or Corona or anyone else. But I use that on a regular basis. So now we got it deployed. You got your pliers. You got your wire cutters. You got your needle nose pliers. You got your knife. Let's see if we can deploy that knife once again. Those are your scissors. That's your knife. So you got a lot going on with one mega multi-tool. So let's really give it a rundown. You got your needle nose pliers, your regular pliers, your wire cutters, your basic knife, and actually this knife is super sharp coming out of the box. It has serrated edges on the far side, completely sharpened, and it's cut in like a razor blade, fresh whenever you get it. So if you buy one of these, matter of fact, any one that you buy from for any one of these that they make, you're gonna get a super sharp and a very good quality um, um, tool. You got your package opener right here. You got your wood and metal file right here, and this actually on the tip of this can also be used as a small um, screwdriver as well. You have your scissors. We don't want to forget those. And we also discussed the screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver. And we got a few things here. You got on the back side over here, like I said earlier, you have your ruler, you got your bottle opener and can opener, and actually there's some wire strippers on here. Let's see if I can find your wire strippers. Right here. Can you see that? Can that focus for us? These are going to be your wire strippers. You actually can strip wires with those. So there you go. Look at that. I mean, they kind of thought of everything, guys. So this is actually not giving you any of those things that you may not ever use. It actually gives you several, anywhere from like 13 or 14 different um, tools that you probably use on a regular basis. I won't say every day, but pretty much on a regular basis. It only weighs about 7 ounces. The blade itself, or the length wise, is only 2.5 inches long. Closed, the tool is 3.8 inches long. It has a removable pocket clip. I wouldn't recommend removing it. Why would you do that? And it comes with a 25-year warranty, if I'm not mistaken. So you really will get your money's worth out of that almost overnight. So this is my favorite tool, gang. I'm not doing a promotion for it. I just had it in my pocket. It's kind of a little tarnished a little bit, kind of been in my pocket, so looking kind of rusty or dusty, or not as beautiful as it did when it came out the pack when I first originally bought it. But because it's been used and it's been in my pocket on a regular basis for some time now. But someone asked me to show my EDC, and I want to do this video for this particular multi-tool before I went into that. So hey guys, this is Pretty Boy Prepper talking to you today about the Leatherman Wingman. Just giving my my look on the fact that this is my favorite multi-tool. I truly enjoy it, and if you ever got one, or you needed one that you can depend on, and that gives you everything that you're gonna need. If you're in the outdoors, if you're in the shop, if you're in the gym, you're at work, you got everything you're gonna need in a one tool. So this Pretty Boy Prepper just talking about what I'm talking about, and I'm out.